Mocha Madness Cashew Nuts and Almonds Cake. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a real treat in store for you. We're going to make a decadent Mocha Madness Cashew Nuts and Almonds cake that will blow your taste buds away. And the best part? We're going to decorate it with natural grapes. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1½ cups of granulated sugar. 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1½ teaspoon of baking soda. ½ teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, mocha flavor. 1 cup of buttermilk. ½ cup of vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. 1 cup of roasted cashew nuts. ½ cup of toasted almonds. Red natural grapes for decoration. Preparation, Part 1: Making the cake. Now, let's start making our Mocha Madness cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and then add the brewed coffee, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until the batter is smooth. Fold in the roasted cashew nuts and toasted almonds. Pour the batter into greased and floured cake pans. Preparation, Part 2: Baking and assembling. Pop your cake pans into the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once they're done, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Now, for the grand finale, the decoration. We're going to adorn our delicious cake with natural grapes for that fresh, fruity touch. Place a generous bunch of natural grapes on top of your cake. Grapes add a wonderful burst of color and sweetness. And there you have it, our homemade Mocha Madness Cashew Nuts and Almonds cake, beautifully decorated with natural grapes. It's so moist and rich with that delightful mocha flavor. The combination of the roasted cashews, toasted almonds, and fresh grapes is a true flavor explosion. I hope you give this recipe a try and impress your family and friends with your baking skills. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining me today on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and leave your comments below. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much, Mocha Madness Cashew Nuts and Almonds cake lovers.